What is up, everybody? It is your boy Khalil NXP back at it again. For those who are new to this channel, welcome. For those who are returning, welcome back. And yeah, we are doing an unboxing today. Honestly, I had a couple of ideas for today's video, but I think this one is the better one. I might do some of the other ideas later on, if anything, later on within this week. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the Cowabunga collection. You guys should know I do love my collection games. So this says the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the Cowabunga collection. Yep. On the front, this is what it looks like. And you got all the different versions of Leonardo, Donatello, Michelangelo, Raphael, and all of them, all in their own perspective versions within the little cover art. You also got the, right here it says Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the Cowabunga collection, if you guys can see that. On the back, it says, get a slice of the action. 13 classic Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle games in one incredible package, featuring online play and local couch play for certain games. Save anytime and rewind, regional releases, button mapping, and a unique trove of development, art, and media. Looks like it's not too much on here on the back, but you get a pretty decent idea of like what it looks like right there. And I got it for the PS5. So yeah. Cool. Let's open this up. Take off. So I'm using my fingernails, guys. Okay, there we go. Got a piece, and now we're just gonna open it up. There we go. All right, we open the game up, and this is what the game looks like. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the Cowabunga collection. You get this with all these different designs on the cover of the game, the game disc. Nice stuff. And on the cover, I mean inside, there's no manual, but on the inside you kind of get the same thing on the cover art. It's in black and white on the inside too. But yeah, that is awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. There's multiplayer on some of the games, not all of the games, but yeah, that is the unboxing video for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want to see, I guess, more of this game and things to that nature, leave it in the comment section below. Leave a like on this video. It does help out the channel. Once again, we are on the road to 500 and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Khalil NXP. Well, NXP gang, and until next time, we're out.